Locating the focus of a parabolic receiver. Please pause the video and take a moment to read the problem. Now, at what coordinates should the engineers build the focus of the antenna? Well, the focus is related to what P is, and P is related to the equation. So we really just want the equation. In this problem, the authors have done a nice thing for us. They have gone ahead and located an X and Y axis. Notice when you have the option, having the vertex at 0, 0 is particularly helpful. Now this one opens up, which tells me the general form for this is going to be x squared equals 4 times P times Y. What I would really like to know is what is P, because that's going to help me be able to find the focus. Well, I do know this ordered pair. I know that 6 meters to the right of the vertex, this point is 0.75 above the ground or above the floor, whatever the case may be here. So I know an X, I know a Y, I'm going to be able to solve for P. So 6 squared is equal to 4P times Y, which is 0.75. 36 equals 3P. P is equal to 12, which tells me that the distance that I'm going to want to locate this focus away from that vertex, from that place on the ground, is 12 feet away. So if I am going to give that in a coordinate situation, I'm going to say let's put the focus at 0, 12. But what that means is it'll be 12 meters away from here. Okay? Next, we have a suspension bridge, and the authors in this textbook have been less kind to us because they didn't give us an X and Y axis, but no worries, we can figure this out. Pause the video and read, please. Alright, so we want to know what's the height of the cable from the road when you're 150 feet out. Okay, so we've got this bridge spanning. It's a suspension bridge, so we've got a support here that's 80 feet tall. Here's 80 feet. But how far is it to here? Let's say you've got to repair something there, or do some kind of welding. You need to know how high up you've got to go. Okay, well, this looks like a vertex to me, so we're going to locate our vertex at 0, 0. All right. I know that this total width is 600, so from here to here is 300. I can think of this ordered pair then as the ordered pair 380. I'd be interested to know the Y part of this ordered pair, which is 150, and we don't know. That's what we got to know. Well, what we need is the equation. This is a parabola opening up, so it's going to have a general form of x squared equals 4py. In this, I know an x and a y, so 300 squared equals 4 times p times 80. 300 squared is 90,000, poorly placed comma, is equal to 320p. So p is equal to 281.25. That's a terminating decimal, so I wrote it in decimal form. If it were not, I would keep it as a fraction. So this equation is x squared equals 4 times that, which is 1125 y. That was just me doing 4 times p. All right. Well, what I want to know is what's the y that goes with the x value of 150. So 150 squared equals 1125y. If I divide by 1125 on both sides, The result is 20. So when you're 150 feet out from the center of the bridge, this y value here is going to be 20.